We're in Taibat Imam, one solid ummah within the conflict zones. It's a deserted village and we're distributing bread to the most needy. This is why you keep supporting OSU. We're going to continue helping the Syrian people until we go. This is كل عائلة كيف العوائل مين؟ العوائل مين كم واحد ياخذ؟ 82 رب 3 اشهر رب 3 اشهر هاي رب يعني ياخذ 29 تمام وهاي لمين كمان نفس so this is all the bread that we're distributing and everything that you've been donating, bread, juice, look at the amount of bread that's here. Keep supporting One Solid Ummah. We're going where nobody would even dare to go. We ask Allah to accept. Do you hear the plane? Do you hear the plane? الإمام We're here at طيبة الإمام. الأطفال قبل وين الأطفال؟ كم يجوا؟ الأطفال موجودين؟ سمعتي الأطفال؟ They're all in basements because of the airstrikes in طيبة الإمام. طيبة الإمام, Soran, Ardis. You know, there's a lot of liberated lands. And we're bringing bread, alhamdulillah, to feed them.